Ben, how are your peaches? Are they yummy? Oh yeah, they're not that sour. Mommy bought you white peaches. Oh yeah, get in there. Good job, buddy.